So let's create a pirate costume here. This time let's create a sword. Inflate the balloon like this, leaving a 4 or 5 inches here allowance at the end. First things first, create a tulip twist here, just like that. Make 2-inch bubble here. Create a 1-inch bubble here. Create a less 1-inch bubble here. Another 1-inch bubble here. Put it together just like this. Repeat the process. 1-inch bubble here. Less than 1-inch bubble here. A 1-inch bubble here. Just like this. Put it together also. And do the same process. 1-inch bubble here. 1-inch bubble here. Put it together. So we have an instant pirate sword. Just like that. Now pinch twist this part. Do the same thing here. Do the same thing also here. And we have an astounding sword for our pirate. Now we need a sword holder for our pirate. Okay. Since we created a sword here, we need a holder for this sword. So we have here our subject. This would be our pirate. So we need to accessorize this person to make more realistically pirate. So hold this sword and let's create a holder for our sword. Of course, inflate a balloon like this, fully inflated. Hands up, please. Now, put this all the way around through his hip, his waistline. And twist this. And make a loop here. But before we create a loop here, we need to twist this first. Approximate 4-inch allowance here and create another 1-inch allowance here. And create a 1-inch bubble here and put this together like this. Now do a pinch twist here like this, just like that. Now, so we have a holder here for his sword and put this sword. Let's put this sword here. Let's put this to the test. If it fits, so it fits. See, hands down. Now we're not done here. Let's create, of course, the hat of our pirate. Any hat will do. So this time let's create a basic hat for this. So by twisting this, so we have an instant pirate hat. Har 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 har. So that's it. We have a pirate with the pirate hat. Supposedly, when we create a hat here, it's supposed to put this hat in this kind of position. But we are creating a pirate character here. Of course, you need to put this the other side, this side. So this is the hat of our pirate, basically. So I think we missed something here. Of course, on every pirate, we need a parrot for our pirate. So let's create a parrot for our pirate here. So let's inflate a balloon. Simply like this. Inflate a balloon like this size with a 4-inch allowance. This time, I'm gonna teach you how to create a parrot. Previously, on my past courses, I created my own version of a parrot. On my previous version, I created 3 1-inch bubbles. This time, we will just create 2 1-inch bubble for the head of our parrot. Okay. I'll show you what I mean. So we need to create 1-inch bubble here and 1.5 inch bubble here. Put it together like this. And this is what I mean. Just like this. See? So this is the basic head of our parrot. And this is based from the old book on every balloon sculpture manual or balloon sculpture guidebook. Let me show you my previous idea on how to create the head of our parrot. This the one that I did on my previous courses. First, just to make it a recap here, I want to show it to you again. First, just create a 1-inch bubble here, another more than 1-inch bubble here, and another more than 1-inch bubble here. Let's just say 1.5. Put it together this time. So we leave a 1-inch bubble here. Pull the nostril. Put the whole nostril here all the way. Stack it up just like this. So this is my version of my parrot on my previous course. So we have 2 bubbles here. This is the head of the parrot, of our parrot, and this is the beak of our parrot. And that is the difference between this. This is based from the book, and this is my own idea, the one that I created here. So you will see the difference. Okay, so at least you got 2 ideas here from my method and from others' book method. Okay, hope you understand this and hoping that you could use this method on your upcoming events. Okay, now moving on to our next part of this. Let's make a loop like this. 9-inch loop. Put the head together with the body. But before we do that, need to twist this like this. And put the head all the way here. So we created the wings of our parrots. This is the body, the wings, the head. Now we need the last part is the feet of our parrot. 1-inch bubble, less than 1-inch bubble, another less than 1-inch bubble, 1-inch bubble. Put it together like this. And that's it. Now, make a pinch twist here. Make a pinch twist here. Just twist this like this. And, of course, we leave a tail here. Now, make a loop for our tail of our parrot. And that's it. So we have the tail of our parrot. Okay, hope you like this. Now we need to put this parrot here on our shoulder of our pirate. Arrange it a little configuration here. Just like that. So we have a complete accessory of our pirate, and with a smile. Okay. Give me a big smile. Get your sword. Handle your sword properly. Say charge. That's it. Our pirate. Thank you so much. Hope you like it.